To identify color by using color detector feature with Bixby Vision on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to make sure that the color detector feature is on. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Under spoken assistant section, tap Bixby Vision for accessibility. Here, make sure that the color detector option is on. If this option is still off, you can tap the on-off switch next to this option until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Now, tap Open Bixby Vision. Alternatively, you can access it from your camera. In the Accessibility tab, select Color Detector to let your phone to start reading the color of an object.
Silver.
Point your camera at an object to hear what color the object is.
Silver. Dark gray. Black. Black. Black.
To stop reading the color of an object, tap pause button. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.